In this video, we will show you how to replace your fuel tank straps. On this Ford Fusion, you'll have two of these located just under your fuel tank. The process for one is the exact same as the other. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing you need to do is safely make your way onto the vehicle. Locate your fuel tank. Apply a little bit of pressure underneath the fuel tank on the side that you're replacing the strap from. Once you have support underneath the fuel tank, continue on to removing your two 15mm headed bolts holding the strap in place. Inspect that mounting hardware as you remove it, replace it as necessary. As you remove your final bolt, make sure you're holding onto that strap so it doesn't fall down and potentially hurt you. Now we can carefully start pulling this down and out of the vehicle. There it is, friend. Now that we have that strap out of there, the next thing that you need to do is clean and inspect the mounting points. That one looks good. We'll do the same to the front port. All right, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new fuel tank strap. Make sure you have it in the proper orientation. We'll slide this into position, start in each of our two mounting bolts before you tighten either of them. Now that you have both of those snug, let's torque those to 30 foot-pounds. At this point, you can remove the support from underneath your fuel tank. As I mentioned before, the process for one side fuel tank strap is the exact same thing as the other side of the vehicle. Once you've done that, make your way out from under the vehicle and take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.